Now Dr. Gajendran will take over, the drone specialist. Dr. Gajendran, the drone specialist. He was given a Government of India award last year. Some details he will share now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Over to
Mr.
Gajendran.
Dr. Gajendran.
Yeah, over to Dr. Gajendran.
இதுவும் virtual டாக்டரா இந்த மாதிரி கஜேந்திரா கிளியரா சொல்லிடுப்பா. நாங்க இப்போ ஏதோ காமிச்சு எங்களை கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கான் கௌரி.
டாக்டர்
கஜேந்திரா எங்க காணோம்?
கஜேந்திரன் எங்க? Gajendran
மியூட்ல இருக்குது.
Gajendran, unmute yourself and speak.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. So this project was funded by Ministry of Science and Technology. Under that, a wing called Geetha. Geetha is an organization which is actually promoting projects for future kind of a projects. They have given this project to us with the basic idea of in summer, the people, the tribals who live in forest regions or upper mountain regions, they don't get water. But somewhere deep in the forest, there is some falls or water bodies there. But it is difficult to reach those places and also identify whether those water bodies are potable or not. So they gave a project to us that a machine should be able to move on ground, should be able to fly, go and do survey, find out a location where the water bodies are, and you should be able to go and land on water, move on water, collect some sample of water, in situ test it, and find out the pH values and morbidity of the water, and convey that the water is potable or not. So, and then should be able to take off from that, bring some more samples of water, take up, come to the air, and then come and land safely. So a machine to be designed like that. So that was the project given to us. So we have thought of what is called as an amphibian drone. So that is a drone is nothing but a unmanned aerial vehicle. So we have designed this from during the year 17, 18, and we are able to do a lot of testing, and we have taken to so many mountain regions and all that, and we are able to actually demo during the year of 19. And Government of India with some committee, they have judged ours as the best national best innovative design award was given to me. I was the chief technical director, although I'm the chief designer of this project. So I have been given this award. Last November.
Congratulations.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. And you can now see that, Chandru, can you just put those videos, let them have a look now.
Yeah.
So parallelly, we also try to do the application of this in agricultural area, which we all know. So this is a quadcopter. It is also called as quadcopter. So it will have 4 blades, that means 4 rotors. Each one is actually having an independent motor, and they're powered by a battery. And it can take, it is called as VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing kind of a drone. And it can be maneuvered and fully operated from ground station using a handheld device. And of course, it also has got aerodynamics like any other flying machine. So we have to take care of all that structural rigidity, aerodynamics, and also the speeds and the crosswinds in the air, obstructions. We also have a camera in this called multilateral camera, which can actually take the photography of the entire topography of the land wherever it moves. and it also can identify the locations wherever. And this particular, now what we are seeing is actually it is spraying in a field.
Pesticide.
A pesticide spraying is happening. And so we thought that, it can be utilized for several applications.
Beautiful.
Me-
Very good.
So
Excellent.
this
Very
is
good,
one
very
of
good.
this is one of the applications. You will see 3 more applications. Kindly see another 1
Yeah.
minute each.
Yeah, yeah.
Just 1 minute each.
Podra.
And the interesting part is that the very first time I am a manufacturing specialist, okay? Aero manufacturing guy, basically I am. But first time I have taken a design project, and to my good luck, or whatever you want to call it, whatever the way we designed, everything came pakka.
Oh,
Very
very
first
good.
time.
Very good, very good, very good, very good.
Big-
And only good thing I have done is that I deployed the entire host of software, particularly the computational fluid dynamics and the structural analysis software. Everything was done in the 3D modeling using CATIA software, and we have gone through the entire what you call design through basic software technology. And that's what made the whole thing, whatever we were able to prove in the computer, Paka, and it also gave exactly the same results when we have really built the real model and real UAV and flown it. It gave exactly same results. Amazing. Today, the application software, which are used for designing and analysis, they are so perfect. Amazing it is. Really fantastic it is. So that is how I am actually spending. So by success of this project, Government of India gave another project to us now.
Oh, very good, very good. Very good.
And this project is now looking at normally, the UAVs are right from wedding UAV, in the wedding functions and all, you will find the UAVs
Yeah.
coming.
Yes.
And
That's a very
that
common-
UAV will fly for 5 minutes actually. Only just 5 minutes. It will go and come back. And it doesn't have power to go beyond 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Otherwise, it will crash.
Ah.
Whereas the drone which we have developed, this particular drone, what we are seeing, this drone can fly for 40 minutes continuously and then can safely land back. Okay. And it has got camera, a multi-spectral camera is fitted into that. You can see how these are all the filming done by the camera fitted in the drone itself.
It is being used in defense. Defense பண்றான். நீ
ஆமா.
ஒரு அடிஷனல் ஒரு ஃபியூச்சர் ஒன்னு சொன்ன நீ from normally என்னன்னா your drone what you have designed, it goes there, collect the water, analyze that, give you a report from there itself. Am I correct? If I'm
Absolutely, in situ.
This is a very great achievement, yeah.
Yeah,
Transceiver,
Going
அங்கே
there,
நாங்க
doing
ஒரு
analysis and reporting you like a satellite இது போறது இதுக்கு சந்திர மண்டலத்துக்கு எல்லாம் அனுப்புற மாதிரி தானே அங்கே ரிப்போர்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி
ஆமா.
இது அனலைஸ் வேற பண்றது. So
True,
that
true,
is
true.
designல you have done a remarkable job. மத்ததெல்லாம்
you.
கேமரா ஃபிட் பண்ணிட்டு it will give reflection மாதிரி தான் அது மிரர் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் மாதிரி கொடுக்கும். இதுல it
Thanks.
is doing some work there and coming back and feeding it and again bringing water again for you to test it at your place.
And we also counter check. We give it to a very popular laboratory. They will also counter check and give the results and compare it
Oh,
with the in situ.
correct. அதான் சொல்றேன். It is also getting you water for you to check up whether its details are correct or not.
Absolutely. Yes, very true.
Very good achievement.
Very good, Gajendran. Excellent.
Excellent.
Wonderful.
Excellent. Very useful.
Beautiful project.
Very
Yeah.
useful.
Thank you. Thank you.
இதுல நீ இன்னும் ஒண்ணு ராஜா
சந்துரு சந்துரு
ஆ,
சந்துரு
ஆ.
நம்ம தமிழ்நாடு அரசிட்ட சொன்னேன்னா
அதான் நான்
இங்கிருந்து
சொல்றேன்.
தண்ணிய 1,00,000 கோடியில செலவுல கொண்டு வந்தா மெட்ராஸுக்கு தண்ணி கொண்டு வர முடியுமான்னு ஏதாவது ப்ராஜெக்ட் போட்டாலும் போடுவாங்கடா கஜேந்திரன்.
நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்
Sorry, I'm taking leave.
ஒரு
Don't
நிமிஷம்
mind all of you.
ஓகே
I have
பை
to go.
பை ஜியன்.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye,
See you
bye,
next
bye.
time. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
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 That-